Hello and welcome to Daily Tech Tutor. In this video, I'm going to tell you how to translate legal documents safely using ChatGPT. For example, from English to Spanish, we can take an example. So let's get started with the video. So basically, we have a clause over here, legal doc, that is in English, and we want it to be in Spanish. So what we can do is we just need to copy this particular clause over here. Click on Ctrl C or right click and then click on copy. You can again select whole data, right click on it and then click on copy. Then you need to go to the chat GPT and Ctrl V or paste that particular clause. Then you can click on shift enter and we need to give our prompt over here. You can write translate this legal clause from English to Spanish, maintain formal legal tone and precise terminology. This agreement should be governed by the law of state of California. Since we want the law which should be from their state, particular state, so it is mandatory to mention this. And then you can give this particular prompt to ChatGPT. Here they will do the Spanish translation for you. As you can see, the translation has been made. You can give another prompt as well if you want to know the meaning of this transition. So you can just write it. Convert the following clause in simple language. Simple English language you can write to understand what basically this clause means. So you need to make sure that it's been correct. So yes, once you see that it's been correct or it's been right, you can just copy paste this clause, basically translate and check this out. So this is how you can translate the legal clauses in any language from ChatGPT. If the tutorial was helpful, please like and subscribe.